It's a very funny story. So it was COVID lockdown, and my brother was locked down with me, and it was his birthday. और बहुत ही peak वाला COVID lockdown था, जो पहले अप्रैल में नहीं था, that you were scared कि दाल चावल भी नहीं है. So when the lockdown happened, I had stocked घर में खाना, and he wanted alcohol for his birthday. He said, यार मैं एक drink तो लूँगा ना, क्या lockdown में मेरा birthday, and there was no alcohol at home because I don't drink. So I called a friend. तुझे कोई तो पता होगा, you know, some vendor or somebody who can send it home. And he connected me to Jackie and said, you know what, I've called Jackie and he will give because he also doesn't drink, पर उसके घर में बार है तो पक्का होगी. I said, but I know of Jackie professionally. I know that he's an actor and producer, and I can't ask him for alcohol.
It's so random.
It's so random. I don't know him. He's not my friend. I've met him maybe एक दो बार at parties, right? So अभी यही option है. So then my brother was just, you know, like I want. So I just then messaged him. और हम लोग वो अल्कोहल बॉटल लेने गए और हमने पीपी किट्स पहन के गए और सैनिटाइज किया हाथ, बॉटल को सैनिटाइज किया, एंड देन वी टुक इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. एंड देन वी केप्ट नॉर्मली चैटिंग ऑन एंड ऑफ फॉर अबाउट अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स till we had a proper date. It was Diwali 2020, and he was going to London to, I think, start bell bottom shoot or something. And he told me that, listen, I'm going for 2 months and I'd love to do dinner with you. Will you come to Bombay? Abhi, I was 14th November, I very well remember, was Diwali, and I was coming on 15th. And ye ja raha tha 14th रात को, तो he said, can you come on 14th? Now I was feeling कितना वियर्ड लगेगा ना कि मतलब मैं हैदराबाद से बॉम्बे आ रही हूँ डिनर डेट करने के लिए, मतलब लुक वेरी डेस्परेट. सो अगेन माई ब्रदर्स किक्ड मी आउट. ही सेड, नहीं मिनानी, मुझे दिवाली आपके साथ, अब जाओ. यू नो, एंड माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड माई ब्रदर, दे पुश्ड मी. देन आई केम, and then that dinner was like I was talking to a male version of me. You know, we're so similar people, likes, dislikes. And also what happens now, I feel that when you're looking for a partner at a certain age, which is not necessarily very very young, 21 22 पे तो आप शादी कर नहीं रहे हो, you've already become an individual. You already know your likes and dislikes. आपकी personality develop हो चुकी होती है, and also because when you're a working professional, there is an individuality, which both of us had, and that sort of matched in the sense what he wants in life, what I want in life. I think that wavelength matched, and then yeah.